Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to stop saying very while speaking and what to say instead. So, how to stop saying the word very while speaking formally in the English language and what to say instead, some other options instead of using the word very. So very is a word that is used to enhance another word. So essentially, you're using very with another word. You're using two words. Now, instead of using very something, right? Instead of using those two words, you can use a single word that is an enhanced word itself. And I'll give you some options right here. So you're going to replace very something, those two words, with a single word that is an enhancement of the original options that you were talking about when you were using the word very as a double word combo, okay? So here are some examples. Instead of saying very good, which means really good, right? Very good. You can say words like great, fantastic, or incredible. Those all mean very good. So instead of saying that dinner was very good, you can say that dinner was great, fantastic, or incredible. A single word replaces both. And you get rid of the word very while you're at it, okay? Instead of saying very happy, you can say overjoyed, thrilled, or elated. And these are just some options. There are many more options as well. Instead of saying very sad, you can say miserable or disappointed, depending on what sadness you're talking about. Instead of saying very bad, you can say horrible, terrible, or awful, okay? Horrific, like there's so many options. I have some written down and I'm just coming up with these on the spot. Instead of saying very big, right? I think we did the last one. Yeah, very bad. Instead of saying very bad, you can say horrible, terrible, or awful, or horrific. I know we just said that. I'm just collecting myself as to where I am. Instead of saying very big, you can say massive, enormous. Some other ones in my head. Gigantic, monstrous. You can even say ginormous, which isn't even a real word, but people use it as a real word anyways. Instead of saying very small, you can say tiny, minuscule, petite, like any version of a single word that is already an enhancement of the original word that you're trying to enhance. So for instance, very small. When you say very small, you're trying to use very to enhance the word small, and it's a two-word combo. You can use a single word that is already enhanced, like tiny, minuscule, or even petite, and that means those mean very small within themselves. So essentially, you eliminate the word very, but you still get the same effect as if using the word very, but you don't need to use it. And that's it. That is how to stop saying the word very while speaking and what to say instead, some other alternative options. Now, very is not a bad word, but people use it too often sometimes. If you're using it just delicately and you're placing it here and there in your speech, totally fine. But if you're using it all the time, you're better off choosing other words. It will be more effective with regards to speaking and even writing essays and so forth. But yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.